Welcome to my channel.
Pixel 7 Pro features to come to older models via upcoming feature drop. With the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro now announced, there are some new features that will remain exclusive to the new smartphones that are powered by the company's new Tensor G2 processor. Shortly after the launch of the successors to the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro, a new report has claimed that Google's next feature drop will bring some of these features to older Pixel smartphones. The company regularly releases new feature drops for its Pixel-branded smartphones that add or enable new features or improve existing functionality. Google's next feature drop, according to Phone Arena, is slated for December this year, and will reportedly bring some of the features we saw launched with the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro models. One detail to take note of is that bigger features will only be arriving to Tensor-powered smartphones, which includes the Pixel 6a, officially launched in India, Pixel 6 and the Pixel 6 Pro models. However, there are a few others that will arrive on non-Tensor Pixel devices as well. Clear Calling, which is powered by the Tensor processor, will be coming to older Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro models. The feature reduces background noise when on voice calls. Also included alongside Clear Calling is the new quick phrase letting users drop an incoming call by simply saying the word silence. Guided Frame, which was also announced with the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro smartphones, will be coming to older Tensor-powered devices. It is an accessibility-related feature that lets those with poor eyesight snap a selfie by giving out voice commands, helping them position the phone in real time. Real Tone, which according to Google accurately shows diverse skin tones, is already available on the Pixel 6a, but improvements that have arrived for the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will soon be available on older Tensor-powered Pixels as well. Spatial audio that is arriving via an update on the Pixel Buds Pro will also be available on the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro models. As per the report, coming to the features that don't rely on the Tensor processors, there's the At a Glance widget available on the home screen that will now show additional information along with already available information that is normally relayed via the widget. Audio message transcription will also be coming to older non-Tensor smartphones, including the Pixel 4a. To recall, the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro will go on sale in India next week. The phones have been launched at 59,999 rupees and 84,999 respectively, and will only be available in single RAM and storage variants in India. Both smartphones run Google's new Tensor G2 processor and come with subtle improvements over the previous Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro models, which were not launched by Google in India. The new smartphones will go on sale on Flipkart on the 13th of October, with pre-bookings already open.